If you click on this, you'll get $22 right now. Imagine how much money you'll make if you click on it 10 times or more. Simply clicking on these links on your mobile phone would get you $220. This is legitimate and completely free, no matter where you are in the globe. Keep an eye out and don't miss out on anything important as I demonstrate how to accomplish it with real-life examples. Simply keep watching and you'll soon be making hundreds, if not thousands of money online. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The website that I'd like to show you today is called OfferVault.com. And if you're wondering about the payout, you can actually see here that you can get paid up to $50 if you keep on scrolling. You'll also see different offers that could even reach $700 or more. Now, once you've arrived at the OfferVault page, and the first thing that I want you to do is to scroll down below and look for this category. Trending searches can be found here. It lists the top 10 categories in which you should concentrate your time and effort if you want to make the most money. Now, I'd like to demonstrate how to use a gift card. All you have to do is click on the gift card category, and that will take you to this page where you can see all the gift card offers. When you move down from there, you can see on the left section, the first column, they actually offer a name, and you can see that it's the name of the offer. And from there, you can see the payout here, like this one, which is $38. And remember that you can do that all over again. It's not just one, but you'll find a plethora of offers here on OfferVault. Look at this offer right here, where you can see your 500 gift card sweepstakes, where you can also see a $20 in one single click. And if you're wondering where you can do this, just click on this link right here, and that will bring you to this page. Then you'll see the offer's name, and basically, they're going to pay you $20 per lead, which means $20 from a single click. That is in essence for this particular offer. Now, when you click on that, you'll be taken to this page on OfferVault. You can find literally countless different offers, and just to be clear, you don't have to create any of these websites since they're already done for you. As a result, when people click on your link, they will be directed to this page, and once they fill out this form and fill out these details, you can see things like the name, address, and so on. And when they click the next button, that's considered one click away from one lead, which will pay you $20. That's all there is to it. Not just that, the best part about OfferVault and the CPA marketing is that you don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is to take one simple link, just one link, and get people to click on it, and for every single click, you'll be paid $20. And if you keep watching this video, I'll show you exactly how to get $20 over and over again. You can simply repeat the entire strategy, apply it to any offer that you want right now. You're on OfferVault, and you can make as much money as you want. Now I'm going to show you how to get a lot of free clicks from any country in the world. This is a secondary website where you can get a lot of free traffic and people to click on your link. And I know that you also know this website since it's popular. This website is called Pinterest. Give me a second and I'll show you how to sign up later. But for now, I'll show you a few examples. As you can see here on the Pinterest homepage, you can already see a lot of Amazon gift card pictures, and it can be seen here. Take this one for example. So many people are displaying various free Amazon gift card images right here. If I click on this image, it will take me to this page as you can see here. And when I scroll down below, you can see that this is actually a link. You can see here a 500 Amazon gift card. This guy is going to make money if I click on this link right here. Or even just fill in the details, and as you can see, there are a lot of people using this exact strategy to get a lot of people to click on their Pinterest link. All they do is post a picture and share with others. For instance, here's another 500 Amazon gift card. All I have to do now is click on this image right here. And once again, that will bring me to this page, and it's very simple. They just make a title, a description, and a link that is in fact the CPA affiliate links. When I click on this link right here, go to this page, fill in the details, and click on this button that is considered one click, and this guy right here is going to make $20. It's that simple. So I know what you're thinking right now. How can I actually create those images and pictures? Don't worry, I'll show you how to get them. And yes, you will get them for free. You don't need to create any of your own images, nor do you need any technical or design skills. I'll show you how to create a free Pinterest account. I want you to go to Google and search for Pinterest so that you can see your Pinterest and click on this first link right here. From there, you'll be taken to Pinterest's homepage. Basically, there are a lot of people who are sharing various images and photos on this website. All you have to do now is enter your email address, password, and age. This is totally made for you since it's completely free and available no matter where you are. So when you log into your Pinterest account, that's what you'll see on your dashboard. Basically, you can see various recommendations as well, even various photos and images. As you can see, all you have to do to create a new pin is click on the link to the right. After that, you'll arrive at this page. Now what you'll do is just easy and it won't take much of your time. All you have to do is upload an image and then you'll need a title, such as when you're giving away a 500 Amazon gift card, and as you can see, that will be your title along with a brief description. The most important thing, as you can see, is to leave a link right here. As you can see here, at the destination link, it just shows you the process on how to put up a photo and fill out all of the information you can to make things like this. And since Pinterest is a popular website, hundreds and thousands of people will surely browse Pinterest on a daily basis, and they'll search for free Amazon gift cards and eventually come across your images. Now, the more images you upload and the more PMs you send out to the people, the more people will eventually click on your link to claim their free Amazon gift card. And imagine a number of people are going to click on your link every single day. Some of them are now filling out the form, but you also have to accept that others may not fill out the form. But the chances of people filling out the form would be high since there is no selling or money involved. They are simply asked to fill out the form, and with just one click, you can earn $20. Again, you don't have to pay for anything. This is completely free. And now I'd like to show you how to get free images from Google when you go to google.com. You can now simply click on images and then you can type in a keyword like free Amazon gift card and hit that search button. From there, you can find a variety of images on Google that you can literally download and copy and then paste, and boom! You can now re-upload on Pinterest. One thing to remember is that all of these images are actually copyrighted, so you can't just copy other people's photos. In fact, doing so is illegal. As a result, I'd like to demonstrate one additional crucial step. If you don't do that, you won't make any money at this moment. I want you to go to Settings and then click on this link. To see your advanced search, just click on that and that will bring you to this page where you can see your usage rights. If you scroll down to the very bottom, okay, default usage is actually all licenses. Now you have to select Creative Commons. licenses, which means that you can legally share this image with others for free. You can download them and you can reuse them whenever you want. Just make sure to select this category for usage rights. And I'd like you to click on this blue advanced search button from there. As you can see, this link right here basically only shows you all the images that are under Creative Commons licenses because you can reuse those images. Assume, for example, that this person has access to your license. You can literally download this image to your phone or computer by clicking on it. So yes, I've been successfully downloading this image right here on my computer. And when I click on it, it'll open up, as you can see. And that's exactly the image that we downloaded, and we'll have to re-upload it on Pinterest right now. So for the final step, all you have to do is go back to Pinterest and drag and drop, and I'll upload this by clicking on these buttons to upload the image. And successfully, we just uploaded my image right here on this column. That is where we'll put the title for this image. When Amazon free gift cards are limited in supply, it will be something like this. And that is a very good title, and you will get a lot of clicks. For now, regarding the description, write something like this. Simply click on the link above or below, fill in the details, and get a chance to win a free Amazon gift card. People will surely click on the link that you put right here in this box. I simply passed my affiliate links to this column, and all I have to do is click the save button, and you can simply repeat the same strategy. Go into Google and find different free images, copyright-free images, download them, and re-upload them right here on Pinterest. Just like all these people on Pinterest, and when people look at your images and eventually click on your link, they're very likely to fill out this form since they don't have to buy anything and they can win a free Amazon gift card. So why wouldn't a lot of people fill them up, right? I myself would not hesitate for each and every click you will earn $22 or even more repeatedly. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.